watch it. Let's watch it. We are go around the temple. Here in Thailand, you will see so many temples and it's for free. You don't need to pay for entrance fee. Everything is free here in the temples of Thailand. So maybe let's see this big temple. Oh, there is a celebration. They are dancing. They are go around this big temple. Hello, good morning. So now I'm here in the temple. So we will go inside and see what's inside of this temple. Oh, there's a there's a gathering. So let's go and walk in here. Oh, you see this? Yeah. This is what you see here inside the temple. Later we will go to the big one. But first, we'll go here. Okay. Let's watch the happenings here. What is their celebration? So let's see what is their celebration. Okay.
ตกลงสรุปยอดที่มาเลยช่วยสร้างยอดได้ประมาณ50 ล้านยอดไหมยอดมันมาสมัยนี่เลยคนทำบ้านเนี่ยบ้านรู้อยู่ที่มีนายติดเขาบอกเขาเทวดาเขาบอกทำมาเนี่ยตรงนั้นเป็นเรื่องอะไรนะเรื่องมาได้ยินเขามี3 เรื่องเขาจะไป
I don't know what this celebration is, but this is now happening here in this temple. So many people gathering and I don't know what is happening. This is what happening now. And there's a food there. So in every celebration, of course, it will be finished with the eating. Yeah. So ayan, kumakain na sila after the celebration. Ayan, yung mga invited guests. So we are uninvited guests. We just go here and come and see what's happening and see what is their ritual is. What are they doing? So this is now the eating now the food. Okay? So bye bye for now.